Hey everyone, hope you all are doing good and welcome to all of you in this video. Guys, today I'm here to explain you about dreamy.com reviews, and in this video I'll help you know whether you should buy from this website or not. And guys, if you have experienced any fraud over this website, then watch this video till end because I'll share the way to get your money back. So stay tuned with us and let's get started. So guys, this is the homepage of this website, and it is an online shopping store which is based in United States that deals with multiple jewelry products including necklaces, bracelets, rings, accessories and earrings. And you can also find multi-layer angel pendant necklaces over the site, including Old English lock necklace, ethereal necklace and lost accessories, etc. So the collection is vast here. And talking about the prices of these offerings, the prices of these offerings are too good to be true, guys. Now let's check out the payment information of the site. For that you need to scroll down this website, and at the bottom of the web page you can see the company accepts online payments via MX, Apple Pay, GPay, JCB, MasterCard, Visa, etc. And let's check out the shipping policy of this website. So guys, this is the shipping policy page, and they have mentioned that due to COVID-19 shipments may be delayed. If you have not received your items after 90 days, you can connect with the company. Apart from that, they have also mentioned the email address on the shipping policy page, which is a good sign. And they have mentioned that shipping takes around 14 to 28 business days to most destinations in the world. And in addition with this, they have mentioned the standard shipping duration for different countries including US, Canada, it will take around 12 to 20 business days, and for UK it will take around 15 to 35 business days, and rest you can read for your knowledge, guys. Now before going further, I request you all to like this video, share it with your friends and subscribe our channel. And I'm going to talk about those important points on which we can judge this website as a scam or legit website. So guys, this site is using a valid HTTPS connection, which is a good site. But before making any online purchase, it is very, very important to check out a particular website's legitimacy. And talking about its domain information, guys, the domain name was created on 29th of July 2020. And the site is old, but according to our study, we have found that this domain is registered for 1 year only. So this factor is not enough to judge its legitimacy. So let's check out the About Us page of this website. And here is the About Us page, but they have not mentioned any information related to business establishment year, business owner name, brand connection info in this section. So guys, this is not a good sign here. And talking about contact details, let's check out the Contact Us page of the site. They have provided a query form, and they have not provided the contact details and Contact Us page, which is a bad sign, guys. They have not provided the company's official address and contact number as well, and you can see the email address in shipping policy page. So this is a bad sign. Now talking about social media presence, the site has no social media presence at all, which is a red high alert that define its fakeness. And talking about the return policy of this website, let's check out the return policy page. For that you need to visit the shipping and returns. And guys, they have mentioned 14 days return policy after the receipt of the product. Guys, do comment about your experience in refund or return of the product. It will give benefit to other customers. And talking about dreamy.com reviews, we have found no reviews about the site on the internet and on the official website as well. So this is again one of the biggest drawbacks of this website that define its fakeness. So guys, this site is not much popular online and has too low traffic, or you can say none at all. And according to our study, we have found high number of suspicious websites on the same server. So this is again a negative sign. And yes, in the final conclusion, the website appears to be suspicious, guys. We do not recommend you to buy anything from this website as it is a fake online store. So guys, for money related problem, you can get your money back by checking our links in the description area box. And yes, do comment about your experience regarding this video, because we read all your comments over every video. So guys, hit the like button, share the video and subscribe our channel to get more scam alert notifications. Thanks for watching this video guys. Have a good day.